Hello, guys. Welcome to day two. We are still waiting for participants to join, and I'll be on mute till then. So, we're about to start the day two, and I request you to ask any questions if you have any in the process. Anything you can ask. I'll say if I know, I'll answer. If I don't know, I'll say I don't.
You said you are the answer for that. If you to use your, you will facilitate to use my or any of the your part, client's full potential, correct?
Mm.
So if I understand correctly, so
Mm.
so whatever ideals we have or goals we have or
Mm.
whatever we wanted to achieve,
Mm.
whatever we want to achieve. So
Mm.
if we come up with our um, list or wish list, then you would be able to uh, get it done for us till you'll be there till we get the results. Like
Yes. Yes.
that's what you meant.
Yes. That's what
So,
exactly I mean.
so what could be the duration to get the results?
It depends. So, for example, it all. See, let me put it this way. There is a natural course, and there is an activity-related course.
Mhm.
And let us take an example. Someone wants to give birth to a child,
Mhm.
and and the couple get conceived.
Mhm.
In normal situation, one should wait for 9 months. So that is the one way which we need to consider. Otherwise, simply put, for example, if you achieve a goal in 10 years, we can get the same goal achieved in 2 years or
No.
3 years.
Mhm.
So simply put, okay, that's all about it. Precisely, you will achieve things much faster
Okay.
and elegant
Mhm.
and become more successful. Yeah. We have 8 participants so far. Let us wait maybe 5 more minutes. Let other people join. Oh, lot of sounds. Okay, they are coming. Ha. Danish is making sounds. So, what are you guys' profession? What do you do? Uh, Sheikh Muhammad is asking question. How this course is useful for OCD guy? OCD guy can use this course to break any anxiety. Uh, but for to break through from OCD, he needs a personal session from me. Okay. You cannot, your human mind, man, it is a very complex situation. So you cannot use one tool for everybody. And it is not one size fit for all. At the same time, one methodology is useful for everything. So I'll be precisely telling you what is it, what is it do best for us. Then you should use that only. Okay. OCD is NBFC. What is the NBFC, Prakash? Food Corporation, National. What is B? Good evening, Shiv Krishna. Okay, non-banking finance company. Very good. Excellent. We'll begin exactly in 1 minute, which is at 6:10. Devashish, please shut your video and let everything goes off. Today lecture is going to be very, very precise, and I'm post this lecture. I'm going to give you an exercise, and I want you to dwell very deep inside within you and complete that exercise for 2 days. So tomorrow is the half for you, and we will reconvene on Thursday. And on Thursday, I'm going to do the breakthrough session for you guys. Okay, that's the plan. Yeah, precisely. That's what we can do. Okay, people still joining, such that if you want to start. Shall we start or wait for 5 more minutes? I think there are a couple of people might join. Not everybody are joining, but there are a couple of people can join if you wait for another 3-4 minutes. We're more likely to close by 6:30. There is no much to talk today. It's more of to do. So if you would like to utilize this time to seek any clarifications, any answers, feel free to unmute yourself and talk to me directly. If not, you can also use chat box. By the way, I would like to inform you that whatever the breakthrough session I'm going to do, you will not get recording to that. So if you would like to take advantage of it, I request you to be there on the session. Debash is asking question, for how many years you are practicing? Approximately 8 to 9 years. Breakthrough session will be on Thursday. Okay, let's get started. See, today the whole principle how we work is you decide, before you decide, make a discovery and then get results, which means you discover, you decide and get results. So now we are going to focus on discovery. Every human being is very unique. I am unique, you are unique. Our Our ways of living are unique. The way we have grown up are unique. Our challenges are unique. Our experiences are unique. Our pluses and minuses are unique. Everything is very unique. So we need to understand what are all elements, instances, experiences, fears, memories, phobias, addictions you as an individual have. Okay. Sometimes we don't know what kind of limitations we only have are experiencing from the years, unless and until it come and go when you are doing something. In order to discover what exactly are the issues that are bothering you need to invest in yourself. You need to take some time to understand what are all negative emotions or all instances are actually bothering you. It can be anything. It can be a childhood memory. It may be a phobia. It may be an addiction. You may be a person who I come across people where they want to go to US, but they have fear of going taking flights. Just because they have fear of taking flights, they lose the opportunity to go to US and live happily. And their dream is that. I know people having high qualifications and capabilities, but they have fears of going and asking their manager for a better hike and better salary, better work. I know people who wants to start their own companies, but they have fear of failure, self-doubt. So there are many, many ways every human being have been handcuffed by their own negative emotions. The beauty of these negative emotions are they won't affect you in a similar way in every aspect of your life. The way the negative emotions affects you in your family life are different, in your personal life are different, professional career or business is different, health and well-being is different, and your finances are different. If you're a spiritual person, at your spiritual level is different. So you need to clearly understand what are all various negative emotions those are actually holding you in order to have real breakthrough in your life. Trust me when I make this statement. Doesn't matter how many years of experience you possess. It doesn't matter in which path your life is. There is significantly better way that you can live your life than what you're currently living, and you deserve to live better. So what are the stopping you to live that life better? Your own negative emotions, your own fears, your own phobias, your own disorders, or whatever you call them. Those are all actually holding you back. So now what I request you, invest in yourself today and tomorrow until we meet day after tomorrow. I want you to go deep within you and make a note of all instances or experiences those are all actually holding you back. In order to do this, I have developed a small questionnaire. Generally, I give it to the people who comes to me for the one-on-one coaching to help me understand how I can help them removing everything. I'm going to give that questionnaire to you if you like, which will help you to guide what areas you need to look for and start make a note of it. By the way, you can be discreet if you wanted to. This is only for you to recognize what exactly it is happening. Negative emotions cost a lot in your life. There are four types of cost. It costs in your family relationships, it costs in your public relationships, it costs in your career and business, health and well-being, and all your spirituals and all other quadrants. So this question is try to address at least three or four areas, or two or three areas to understand what exactly is holding you. And I'll send it to that questionnaire to you, and I request you to invest your time in actually making note of what exactly is stopping you. It is very important because we are going to pick up one of negative emotion that is creating you kind of anxiety, and that we are going to break on our Thursday session. Okay. Now I'll be sharing that questionnaire to you in the chat box. Meanwhile, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the chat box. I have sent you the questionnaire in the chat box. Someone, a question, there is no class tomorrow. Yes, there is no class tomorrow. We will reconvene on Thursday at 6 p.m. Till then, I request you to please use this questionnaire to actually dwell deep inside within you. Whatever the technique we will learn on Thursday, is it applied to remove any habit or negative emotions? Not necessarily. I will give you all information on Thursday itself. Debashish Chakrabarti, will one session be enough to solve the problems? One session is enough to solve one problem, which means if you are feeling anxiety, a specific thought or memory, whatever it is, being very active to create anxiety in you, after Thursday session will not be able to create anxiety in you. That's the whole point. And it is not for all anxieties or all issues one way works. No, definitely not. So the different methodologies goes for different. So I request on Thursday we will work specifically on anxiety, and I'll guide you how do you do that, how do you pick up everything. Let us keep that for Thursday. Now let us focus on how to go inside within you and try to figure out all the issues or limiting emotions that are stopping you using that questionnaire. Any more questions? Sheikh, you already given the answered the user the questionnaire. Then you might you might revisit if you like to, or let us catch up on Thursday. Yeah, please go ahead and revisit the form and see if you would like to update some information there. Any question you have, feel free to ask me now. I'll answer all your questions. Sneha, it is in the chat box, Sneha. Did you see the in the chat box again? I'm posting. No problem. I just shared the questionnaire. You have not missed much. I'm just saying that I request you to go and retrospect enter your life and start making note of all the things which are stopping you. Then on Thursday we'll get into breakthrough session. That's what I mean to say. Maybe if it is possible for you to open the questionnaire and check if you have any questions, feel free to ask me now. I'll explain that. If you understand the questionnaire, you know what to do. If you would like to sign off from the call, please do so. That's absolutely fine too. Yes, Sheikh, I'll be sending the yesterday class in a while, but I'm not pretty sure about the how clear it is. But anyway, I'll be sharing the class in the WhatsApp group. Friday, yes, we have Friday one more session. So Thursday is the breakthrough, then Friday is the one more session. If you have any question on the questionnaire, feel free to ask me. If you don't have any question on the questionnaire, then we might terminate this call and we can. Sneha, I think this is a 4-day class, and I think Friday we will end this session. This entire snippet will be end by Friday. And if you would like to have a longer things, then you can always be in touch with me and I can guide you what to do next. It definitely works, Devashish, and feel free to reach me through WhatsApp if you have any question to me on this subject, because it opens. It's a Google form. Whatever the form I have shared with you will be will get open. Okay, If no other questions, let us end the call today and I'll meet you on Thursday. Sheikh, the easiest way for you is then maybe consider to open a Word document and just copy paste the questions over there and then start answering over there. Maybe it's possible if it is possible. Yeah, everything is discrete. So, so every answer, whatever you mention, is discrete. In last 6 7 months, there are many people shared many things to me by calling them as a dog secrets. They never revealed to anybody. Generally, I'll forget instantly post the session, and your privacy is very very important. It's very very important. So don't worry about it. If you think you don't want to share certain aspects, please don't do that. That's also fine too. We'll wait for another 4 minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. If not, we can end this call today. Before submitting, I think you can revisit the answers. Once you submit the questionnaire, probably you might not. Google might not allow you to do that. And generally, whatever it comes out of your mind instantly, that more likely that's going to be the right answer. So, if you think aloud and answer, more likely you're actually contaminating with your thought. That you're contaminating the purity of the thought. 3 more minutes, guys. If at all you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Otherwise, we can end this call. Any question you can ask me. Okay, I think your thoroughly is there. Thursday session, how long and what time it starts? Thursday session, there is a 5 minutes exercise, maybe 5 10 minutes of talk or 5 minutes of talk. You may take approximately 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And as planned, we'll begin at 6 p.m. But I want you to all be there in the right place, in the right time. If you think it is better for you if we do at 6:30, I am open to do that. And I won't share any recording for that session. So I want you all to be present. So if you prefer a different time than 6 p.m., I'm very happy to do that if majority of the people agree to that. Or at least people 6:30, even 5:30 also okay. Anything is fine with me. Yeah, but 6 p.m. is fine. Exactly 6 p.m. Maximum it can go up to 6:45, and that's all. It's like a marriage, guys. It's like a marriage. How much time it will take to actually tie a knot into the bride's into to the bride, or exchange a ring, or say whatever it is, say. Okay, it's just matter of 3-4 minutes only. All it takes. Preparation can be for months and years, but the event actually takes place shortly. That way, if you really do something, 5 minutes is larger time than actually you require. To be very frank. Okay, I think we have got a confirmation. 6 p.m. is done, and 6:30. Bye bye, guys, and do the exercise. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp. You have the WhatsApp number with you, and I'll see you on Thursday.